Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my family's cassava pone recipe. I'm really excited to show you. However, one thing I need to mention is that I was trying out a new camera in this video, so if the lighting is a little bit wonky, you know why. So let's get right into the recipe and I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is add 4 cups of grated cassava to a large basin. And my mom actually squeezed some of the juice out of the cassava, actually all of the juice out of the cassava. So you just have the cassava itself right now without any of that water. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of shredded coconut. And again, all of my ingredients and measurements are in the description box. I used coconut that was bought in a bag, not an actual coconut, but you can most definitely use either. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 cans of condensed milk. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 can of coconut milk. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, as well as 1 tablespoon of margarine. And then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of mixed essence. Then I'm gonna go ahead and stir that.
Stay right here.
Okay. All right, so my mom has just greased the pan with some shortening, and she's also floured it a bit to help with the pone not sticking to the pan once it's baking. So now that I've mixed all of the ingredients together, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the pone into the pan. Now once it's in the pan, if there's any corners that are missing some of the mixture, I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly tap it in with my spoon so that it's evenly distributed. On this side it has a little more of the mixture, so I'm just going to spread it out evenly as best as I can. You want to bake your pone for 45 minutes at 375 degrees. Once that's done, you're going to broil it for about 1 minute so that it can get a nice brown top. So there is your cassava pone. It smells so good. It just got out of the oven. I baked it at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. And then my mom put it on broil at 380 degrees for about a minute, just to allow the top part of the cassava pone that you can see right now to get that nice brown color that you see.